We got a C230 W202 Mercedes, and I believe the years go from 94 to 2000. This is a 98, and what we have is a faulty seat control. It does have one movement, seat go up, but the reclining doesn't work. The headrest does work, so it's just this one, but I'm gonna have to replace the whole switch. So that's what we're gonna do today. Right there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop out this see if I can do it. This will just open the door. All right. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start popping out the door panel. If you see, there's these white retainers here, just goes like that and just go along down the door panel and pull them up. Oh, we're gonna take off this. And the bottom. We're gonna pull this handle. If you look inside, you'll see a middle part. That's what's actually holding the door handle. So you're just gonna be pulling the outside of it like that. Okay. And in here we're gonna have 2 Phillips screws. I'm gonna take them off. Once you remove those 2 bolts, it just comes right out. And then we're going to deal with this situation. To make it easier, I'm going to disconnect the switches and also remove that bar there that controls the door. So the one that controls the door, let's see if I get a better shot. There it is. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be pushing this down, but I have to act like I'm opening the door handle to push that out. All right, so I can't do this holding the phone at the same time, but just know, open the door handle, pull on the door handle, and then you can push down on that hook. All right, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the buttons. The same thing, they just pop right out. Just get something under it, like I do with this upholstery tool. like I said, they just pop right out. And they jump everywhere. There's a little latch right there. You're gonna have to push that way and then pull it up. One is a snap. Just put it in the front one, the front side, and then clip it on the back. Snapped it in, or we're gonna put the little buttons back on. Back in to make sure that the switch that you got from the junkyard, hopefully, because I only paid $9 for this switch, and once you see it works, you have to put it back together. Getting the switches plugged back in because each one only plugs in one way for each one.